Headphones not playing stereo sound in Windows fix. So if your headphones are not playing some stereo sounds on your Windows, there could be many reasons why this could be happening. And in order to fix it, first of all, I want you to simply go to your search bar. Then you want to simply go ahead and then basically type in mmsys.cpl, and you will find this control panel item which is mmsys.cpl. So when you open this up, you will directly be taken to the sound settings. So right at the top, you can see playback. Maybe you can see an headphone, but it says not plugged in. So it could just mean that it's not plugged in. However, sometimes it could also mean that it is actually disabled. So you can right click on it and enable it. So if it is disabled, you'll find enable option. If it is enabled, you'll find disable option. And you can instead try to disable the current one, which is the speaker one, and hopefully that will give you the options for your headphones. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.